It was a stormy night. The city was the same as always, full of bright lights. But at that moment, I was in great danger. The man in front of me was the famous star, Joe Cheng. For 2 years, he had stalked and harassed me. Until that night, when I ended Joe Cheng, striking him 7 times. That was the price. He paid for harassing me 7 times.
Attention, everyone. We have a breaking news update. The case involving actor Joe Cheng is currently under investigation. Police moved quickly at the scene, successfully arresting a suspect named the Jiang suspect. Initial findings show the Jiang suspect is suspected of intentional harm. Currently, the Jiang suspect is held under criminal detention according to law, and the case is under further review.
Jiangnan, you're up for questioning.
Until that night, I ended Joe Cheng, striking him 7 times. This is the price he paid for his 7 harassment attempts. This confession you wrote in your diary. You wanted Joe Cheng gone for a long time, didn't you?
I didn't take any life.
You didn't? Then why were you at the scene, holding the fatal weapon?
I don't know. I was sleeping at home. But when I woke up, I was in Joe Cheng's house.
The police gathered evidence immediately. Your claim of being knocked out and taken to the scene simply doesn't hold up. Look at this. He was stabbed 7 times. He nearly bled to death.
I didn't take out Joe Cheng. I didn't do it. I didn't end anyone.
Zhou Cheng targeted you for 2 years with stalking and harassment. He even followed you after you moved to your current place. Your anger and fear pushed you to end him.
You aren't me. You don't know what it's like to be stalked. I wanted him gone, but I am not the one who did it.
You never thought of it? 2 days before it happened, you bought a fruit knife. It is the same one found at the scene. There's an eyewitness who saw you fatally wound him. The police found this diary in your house. At the scene, they also found a drawing you made, which matches the method used perfectly.
Why? Not even my father believes me? Why do you look at me like I'm a stranger? You used to write to me every year on my birthday. Prosecutor Jiang. Don't you believe me?
Your current status is that of a criminal suspect. Jiangnan. The evidence is complete, and it all points to you. Even if you won't admit it, you won't escape the verdict. You'd better just honestly explain the details of what you did and ask for leniency.
I am Jiangnan's lawyer. Since I was not present, this interrogation is invalid. Now I am taking her with me.
Chen Zui. How can it be him? 3 years ago, Chen Zui vanished from my life. Without saying a single word. Why is he here today? If one day I'm wrongly accused, and you're my prosecutor, what would you do?
I would work hard to find the proof to clear your name. I'd never let you suffer.
You lied to me! I'm suing you!
I am guilty.
I never thought those hypothetical questions from our relationship would come true after we broke up. Now, Chen Zui, what are you going to do?
Now, I'm taking her with me.
I'm not the one responsible. I'm being framed.
I know.
You're willing to believe I'm innocent?
It's not about being willing. It's that I've always known you're innocent.
But all the evidence points to me. Why do you still believe me? Is it guilt over leaving without a word back then?
You are the type of person who wouldn't even step on an ant. How could you do something fatal? Regarding Joe Cheng's case, I will get to the bottom of it and get you justice. So, trust me one more time?
What if you can't solve it?
No matter what happens, I will never leave you again.
Chen Zui is the only one who believes me, and he is my only hope.
Old Xiao.
Miss Zhang. I'm in charge of this case, Officer Zhao Mingde. This is my assistant, Li Huai. Down to business. The most important evidence in this case is the weapon. This is the fruit knife you bought a few days ago.
I didn't take a life.
It's just a theory. Old Xiao, I think we need to re-examine the scene to see if there are new clues to overturn the charges.
Is that even possible?
No matter what, we have to try.
Officer Xiao, are you all really willing to help me?
I just think this case has holes, and finding the truth is my duty.
Where should we start?
At Joe Cheng's home.
Hello, police? Did anyone see a suspect wearing a black mask? Around here?
The night of the incident, there was a blackout, so surveillance didn't catch any useful leads.
He was wearing glasses, too.
And we've searched the crime scene over 10 times.
Have you seen the person in this photo?
No.
Nothing at all?
No.
Check over there.
Any clues? I asked several shops, but there's nothing in the footage.
Go check the convenience store for anything new. We'll head to Joe Cheng's place. Go ahead.
Don't be afraid. I'm right here.
I never thought Lawyer Chen would have a soft spot for ladies.
Hurry and look for it.
To be honest, for a celebrity like Joe Cheng, decorating his house exactly like Jiangnan's house makes the police find it very strange.
It was only the last time, when I woke up at his place, that I realized his house's layout. It was identical to mine.
How did he know how your house was decorated?
I don't know. When I first moved in, I posted a photo of my living room on social media. Other than that, there wasn't anything else.
He's stalked you for so long and even copied your house's decor. He really is.
A freak.
Move out. This room wasn't the crime scene. It was sealed off before. Just look around for any clues.
This is impossible!
Be careful. You'll leave fingerprints.
This is my autographed comic. And these photos, I've never taken duplicates of these.
Including this room, throughout the crime scene, we truly haven't found a third person's fingerprints, footprints, or DNA. It can only be chalked up to Zhou Cheng's twisted hobbies.
Chief, we have new clues.
What's wrong?
I just went to the shop to get the surveillance footage, and on the way back, I ran into a man in black. I was just about to ask him. Stop right there!
Where is he?
Gone. I've alerted the police to search the area, so I came to notify you.
That person is likely the real culprit. Many criminals. I have a habit of returning to the scene.
That is very likely. Did you get the surveillance footage?
I have the backup. The convenience store lost power that night, but their entrance has a backup-powered camera. I was just checking the footage. It seems to have captured a figure in black, who looks like the person I encountered.
Could you see clearly where he came from?
It seemed like Jiangnan's house. Boss, no one is here.
Nobody's here, but the culprit might have been, potentially leaving clues behind. We must protect the scene and touch nothing.
What are you looking at?
I really like this photo. I want to place it somewhere prominent in my office so that I can see it every day. It was kept here, and I forgot to pack it.
Don't move. That might be new evidence.
What's this knife?
This doesn't belong to me, but it looks identical to the one I bought. The one I had is currently at the police station.
Are they the same one?
I doubt it.
2 weapons? Chief, we searched Jiangnan's house twice before. There's no way we'd miss an obvious fruit knife. Could that guy have left it here on purpose?
But why would he do that?
Does this mean my innocence is proven?
We can't be sure yet.
Get this appraised. If there are no fingerprints from Miss Jiang on this knife, we can disprove the weapon they found earlier. This knife appeared after the police investigation. The real culprit likely planted it.
Check the wear and tear on both knives. We will deliver the forensic report to the prosecutor's office immediately. How long will it take?
Checking surveillance is fast. I'll rush the report, so it might make it for the trial. However, don't get your hopes up. After all, if no suspects appear on the security footage, and the knife was found in Miss Jiang's house, an acquittal is still unlikely.
We have to try, no matter what. This knife might be the only evidence proving that she was framed.
Attention, everyone. The high-profile actor Joe Chang's incident starts its formal hearing today. Right here, outside the court, we can see a large group of Joe Chang's fans have gathered early.
Punish the culprit! Punish the culprit! Punish the culprit! Punish the culprit! Punish the culprit!
Make way. Excuse me, let us through.
Miss Jiang, can you explain why did you take Zhou Cheng's life? Was it because of rejection that you took such action?
Miss Jiang, have you known Zhou Cheng for a long time? Did your love turn into hatred? Miss Jiang.
Miss Jiang, we heard that you were once Zhou Cheng's fan. How do you view the recent online public opinion?
Let us through.
You culprit. How are you still here? You should pay for what you did.
Lawyer Chen, are you confident about winning this lawsuit? Is there more to this case than the public is aware of?
Everyone is equal before the law. The result of the Zhou Cheng case should rely on legal procedures to reveal the truth rather than speculation or judgment by public opinion. The law relies on evidence, not emotions.
I haven't even been convicted. Yet everyone already sees me as a criminal.
You aren't a criminal. From beginning to end, this was never your fault.
This court is now in public session concerning the prosecution's case against Jiang Nan for ending the life of Zhou Cheng. The prosecution may now proceed.
My lord, the police investigation has established that the suspect, Jiang Nan, entered the home of Zhou Cheng to commit a fatal assault. According to the forensics report, the victim suffered 7 wounds, resulting in massive blood loss, which caused the victim to be gone instantly.
Punish the criminal!
I've seen many videos of public trials involving my father, but I never thought the day would come where I am the one on trial.
Dad! Dad! Dad!
Punish the criminal! 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 Punish the criminal!
Quiet, quiet.
Order. Observe court discipline.
I believe the defendant, Jiang Nan's guilt is clear, and the evidence is sufficient, and they should be held accountable for these fatal actions.
Defendant Jiang Nan, regarding the indictment, just read by the prosecution, and the facts presented, do you have any objections?
I didn't take any lives. I didn't take a life.
How is this trial going to go? Didn't take a life?
My lord, I request to call a witness. Miss Zhang, on the night of the incident, did you see the defendant standing by the victim with a knife?
Yes. I went out to walk the dog that night, and I saw Zhou Cheng's door was wide open. I saw her end Zhou Cheng's life. There was mess everywhere. It was terrifying.
My lord, I have no further questions.
Miss Zhang, tell me, regarding your daily dog walks, do many people know about it?
Neighbors in the same community all know about it.
Then tell me, does my client know about this?
She lives very close to me, so she must know.
In all your years of pet ownership, are your walking times always fixed?
Yes. A dog is like a child. They need to be walked every day.
You're lying.
You said she's lying.
My lord, this is surveillance footage the police found from the convenience store downstairs. The footage is kept for 30 days. We compared your daily walking times. On the day of the Zhou Cheng incident, you left 15 minutes later than usual.
Even if the timing was off, I definitely saw her do it.
Still lying? Since you say the defendant knew your routine, why would she choose that exact moment? Keep the door wide open and commit the act just so you could see her? According to the autopsy, Zhou Cheng's time of passing was 9, but you didn't leave until 9:45. How could you have seen the defendant do it?
Even if I didn't see the act, it was the middle of the night. Who else but the culprit would be covered in mess, holding a knife, standing next to the body?
So, you only saw the defendant standing by the victim, and didn't actually see the act, is that right? If you are committing perjury, then you will be held legally accountable. Your Honor, no further questions.
Will the witness please ensure their testimony is truthful?
Defendant, I would like you to explain why you wrote in your diary that you wanted to end Zhou Cheng.
Zhou Cheng subjected me to 2 long years of stalking and harassment. I felt utter disgust and fear towards him. I just wanted him to be gone from my life. I wrote that just to vent, to get it out in my diary. I didn't actually mean to end him.
Defendant, you're also a comic book artist. You drew the process of ending Zhou Cheng inside of your manga. And every detail matches this case point for point. Furthermore, this specific manga page was found at the crime scene. Can all this to really be just a coincidence?
I did draw the manga, but that was many years ago.
Why hasn't Xiao Mingde arrived yet?
So has been plotting for a long time how to end Zhou Cheng, haven't you? The night it happened, the power was out, meaning the security cameras couldn't record you. It was the perfect time for a crime, which is why you chose that specific moment. Besides, even if caught in the act, you could use those excuses to escape your crime, couldn't you? Isn't that the truth?
You're just speculating.
The defendant stood there with a knife. At the scene, aside from the defendant and the victim, there were no other footprints or fingerprints from a third party. This is all more than enough to prove that you're the one who did it.
Given the severity of this case, its vicious nature, harmful impact, and the fact that the defendant refuses to plead guilty,
Punish the killer!
I hereby declare
Punish the killer! 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 Punish the killer!
order in the court.
Chen Zui is the only person who believes me, and my only hope.
I will now read the final verdict again.
My lord, the defense requests that Prosecutor Jiang Changlin be recused. Prosecutor Jiang Changlin.
And my client are father and daughter.
Recusal granted.
Her real father.
Then won't he be biased?
I can't believe he was even involved.
My lord, I have new evidence. I have new evidence.
Before, our officers researched the crime scene and found new clues. Among them, this new weapon perfectly matches the wounds on Zhou Cheng. A total match. The DNA also matches. But the two weapons have different wear levels. The previous weapon used as evidence showed no signs of use. Furthermore, we found a suspect on the convenience store footage downstairs. We engaged him, but sadly, he got away. He managed to escape.
This court declares the defendant, Jiang Nan, is not guilty. Release the defendant at once.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Lawyer Chen. How did you know that she is my daughter?
Chief Prosecutor Jiang has such a bad memory. You even forgot you had a daughter with your ex-wife.
So, you didn't recognize me at all. The one sending letters every year wasn't you, and the one giving me gifts wasn't you either, right?
How could you do this? You're so selfish, Sai.
Dad. Please, Dad.
Even though your name is cleared for now, this is far from over. You better watch yourselves.
Listen, your place isn't safe right now. How about I walk up there with you?
Well, today in court, I saw someone who looked exactly like the person on camera.
Did you see his face clearly?
No. But I can't forget those eyes.
Don't worry. I'll protect you.
Then back then, why did you leave?
I had no choice. Do you remember what happened to my family?
You mean that case from 20 years ago?
Yeah. The perpetrator was never caught. It wasn't until 3 years ago that I finally got a lead.
Old Chen, I've warned you 3 times, stop your investigation. As for today, don't blame me for what happens.
It wasn't until 3 years ago that I finally tracked down the culprit.
So is that why you broke up with me?
Yes.
You abandoned me because you were afraid I'd be a burden?
Not a burden, but it was too dangerous. At that time,
Did you ever think about my feelings? You left me without a word, and I spent 3 years searching for you.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to protect you.
Protect me? Your sudden disappearance was more painful than any danger. Chen Zui, I've always loved you, but I can't accept you leaving me under the guise of protection.
Jiangnan. All these years, I've never stopped loving you. Hello?
Chenzui, is Jiang Nan with you now?
I just left her. She went home.
Why did you let her go?
What's wrong?
We got word that Zhou Qing's fans are heading to her place to cause trouble.
What?
I'm heading out now. Hurry up.
Hello?
Zhou Cheng's fans are going to your place to harass you? I'm coming over right now.
The people in my house now, are they the ones causing trouble? But how did he get in?
Why aren't you speaking? Hello, Jiangnan? Why aren't you saying anything? Hello?
Goodbye, Miss Jiang.
Help me.
You're okay. Don't be afraid. I'm right here.
Where is this?
This is the hospital. When I arrived, you were unconscious.
What about the man in black?
Don't worry. Get some rest. The police are searching for him. I'm staying right here. I'm not going anywhere.
Chen Zui. It's too dangerous around me. I can't let you get involved anymore.
No matter how dangerous it gets, I want to be by your side, supporting you. I'm sorry.
Chief. What are you peeking at?
Shh. She's asleep.
Yeah.
Since your case, you haven't slept this soundly in a long time. Do you remember what happened last night?
Last night?
Ms. Jiang, I meant the incident at your home. Is it a good time for a statement? Can you recount what happened last night? Think carefully about everything that happened. The more detail, the better.
In the middle of the night, I heard noises in the living room. I thought it was some rowdy fans. And then I got a call from Chen Zui. Next, I saw someone.
Did you see his face clearly? These are people who came to cause trouble. Do any of them look familiar?
It wasn't them. Last night, he spoke to me.
What did he say?
Goodbye, Ms. Jiang.
Goodbye, Miss Jiang. I'm positive he's the one who planted the weapon in my house.
Why are you so sure?
I remember his eyes.
Besides his eyes, anything else?
He sounded young. His height was similar to Chen Zui. And he wore black clothes.
If he really is the culprit, then why did he come looking for you, Miss Jiang?
I feel like his target wasn't Zhou Cheng. It was me. But last night, he didn't take me out. Instead, he took me to Zhou Cheng's home without a trace. And even took out Zhou Cheng without anyone knowing.
Yet he brought you to the crime scene. If he left after that, then he was likely looking for a scapegoat.
But he didn't. He left the weapon at the scene. Clearly, it was intentional. He intentionally helped you? Wait. He didn't know we'd search Miss Jiang's home again. In fact, if you hadn't helped Miss Jiang get bail, we might not have returned.
The culprit's motive might not be singular. He could be taunting the police. Many criminals have this psychology.
Miss Jiang, you seem to have a deep understanding of criminal psychology.
What are you thinking now?
Don't forget I'm a cartoonist. When I was writing, to make cases more suspenseful, I studied criminal psychology. Officer Xiao, are you still doubting me? Without Chen Zui, I would be sentenced by now.
Not exactly. But if this is all a coincidence, it's just too strange. Miss Jiang, any other leads?
How did he get in? Who has your passcode?
How could I forget? Such an important lead?
I just changed the passcode. Only I know it.
Are you sure only you know it? And no one else?
After the weapon incident, I hired the locksmith to change all the passcodes. Thanks for the hard work, the locksmith. Have some water.
Oh, no need, thank you.
When did you change it? Do you have his contact info?
Yes.
You aren't still thinking about going home, are you? Your house isn't safe anymore. Come to my place.
The culprit is still at large. If the target really is me, I shouldn't drag Chen Zui into this mess. 3 years ago, Chen Zui probably felt the same way. No thanks. I'll find a hotel on my own.
But your current situation is very dangerous. I'm not comfortable leaving you alone. If that person comes back, I'll be there this time.
All these years, haven't I always been alone? Besides, For this case, I've already been cleared, so this matter has nothing to do with you anymore.
But the criminal hasn't been caught.
Catching criminals is for the police. You're just a lawyer. If you still want to be the savior, then go take another case.
I'm not trying to be anyone's savior. I just don't want you to face this alone.
For the past 3 years, haven't I faced everything alone? Including the incident with Zhou Cheng. Chen Zui. Ever since you left, we've had zero connection.
No matter what you say, you're in danger now. I have to stay with you.
I don't need you. These past years, without you, I've been doing just fine.
Women are so unpredictable, they change in a heartbeat.
You've never even been in a relationship. What do you know?
She just left right after saying that.
That's not good. We haven't found any other leads. But she mentioned before, the culprit is after her.
I have the same feeling. Right now, we can't let her be by herself. It's too dangerous.
She won't let me follow her.
So, you two haven't made up yet? I'm telling you, I don't think that person is going to let her go.
I already explained that I have nothing to do with her. Believe what you want.
Anyway, it's fine. Let's just paint. Chen Zui!
Ah, someone's gone. It's a tragedy. Someone's gone. It's a tragedy.
Boss, you were right. Is Miss Jiang possessed by the god of death himself? Why is there always a fatal crime wherever she goes?
Zip it, or you'll cause a scene. Miss Jiang, we meet again. Can you tell me what happened?
I just remember hearing an argument in the next room.
Do you know what they were fighting about?
I don't remember. All I recall is only hearing a man's voice.
According to the front desk, the victim is Zhao Tian, and the man she checked in with is Pang Yi. Do you know him?
No.
What about this knife? Did you touch it at the crime scene? Your fingerprints are all over this knife.
Impossible. I've never seen that knife, and I don't know that man at all. How could I have taken her life?
There must be a mistake. Jiang Nan and the victim have no connection whatsoever. She had no motive, and no chance to do it.
The lab results are clear. The prints on this knife definitely belong to Jiang Nan. Unless there's solid proof, this evidence is very bad for her. Not to mention, there's also this.
This comic. It looks so familiar. I don't know this person. I'm not a murderer.
Don't worry. Stay calm. I'm here for you. Could the killer have forged Jiang Nan's fingerprints? Or perhaps used some method to leave her fingerprints on the weapon?
In theory, it's possible, but there's no evidence to prove it. Plus, the prints are too clear to be fake.
This knife and the comic, could they have been taken from Jiang Nan's house?
You mean Pang Yi is the man in black, and he went to her house just to get her fingerprints in the comic?
His target is me. He wants me to be the suspect again.
But Pang Yi booked this room 2 months ago, while Miss Jiang just moved in last night. It looks more like Miss Jiang deliberately chose to live next to him.
No way! I booked this hotel at random online. I don't know them at all.
We'll keep digging, looking for any missed details. However, without new evidence, Miss Jiang remains our primary suspect.
Then I will continue to defend her. Then I'll continue to defend her.
Who on earth is it?
I believe in you, and we will definitely find the real culprit. You're in danger. The killer might be watching you from the shadows. We can't let our guard down.
I know. Who would have thought that everything seems to be targeting me?
You live alone right now. It's too dangerous. You're coming home with me right now.
No.
Why? Because you're the target, and you're afraid to involve me. It's just like back then when I was looking for the one who ruined my family. But have you ever thought that when I took you away on bail awaiting trial, we were already tightly bound together? Jiangnan, I know you're afraid of losing me, but have you considered that just like you, I'm afraid of losing you too?
Boss, I just learned a new trick. You live alone. It's too dangerous. You must come home with me right now.
I'm sorry. Was I too rough? Did I hurt you?
It's okay. I'll be fine in a moment. You didn't use to sleep so lightly, nor did you wake up so easily.
All these years, I have been constantly searching for the person who hurt my parents. And I'm just on edge. I'm fine. Don't worry about me. What about you? Can't sleep in the middle of the night? Are you scared?
I'm a bit uncomfortable. And a little scared. I was just wondering, if I was the target, then why?
Then did you too?
Oh, come on, how is that possible? You know, I just cleared my name. Ding-ning. I can't talk now. I'm hanging up.
Keep quiet.
Who are you?
You're Jiangnan. Did you take out Zhou Cheng?
No, I didn't take him out. Listen, we can talk about this peacefully.
I'm Peng Yi.
So it's you, the man staying next to me at the hotel.
I wasn't the one. I really didn't end any lives. Miss Zhang, you must have been viewed as a suspect before, so you should understand how I feel. I didn't end a life.
So, what can I do?
Hurry! Go right now and take me to find Chen Zui.
Speak now.
I will. I will.
Miss Jiang, lawyer Chen accused Pang Yi of intimidation and illegal restraint. Do you know about this?
Illegal restraint? Of whom?
Of you. So Officer Zhao sent me to ask some questions. Let's take a statement now. When did you meet Pang Yi?
Sit down.
I heard from Officer that you're accusing Peng Yi of grabbing you. Are you dropping his case?
Him being accused of ending someone, and him grabbing you. are two different things. There's no conflict.
Do I need to pay you a retainer? You are standing up for me after all.
No need. As long as I have you.
I'm being serious here.
So am I. Are you busy lately? For Peng Yi's case, I need an assistant. The police didn't announce there were fingerprints on the fatal weapon, but I know you want to prove your innocence yourself.
All right. However, when Peng Yi grabbed me, I lost everything I bought. Can you make him compensate me?
He will. He absolutely will. We'll bankrupt him. Then make him kneel and apologize.
Good.
Oh, right. Old Zhao said they're going to Zhao Tian's home tomorrow. That's the one who was gone at the hotel. Yeah.
Please have a seat. Tian is whom I adopted from Happy Home Orphanage. My wife passed away early, and she really looks just like how my wife did when she was young. But now...
Please, take heart.
Officer, Peng Yi must be the one who ended my daughter's life. He's an animal. Not even human. Even when he was dating my daughter, he was dishonest.
Which year did you adopt Zhao Tian?
In 2004. I remember it very clearly.
That was over 20 years ago, and you remember it so well. You have a good memory.
Not really. When we went to adopt her, this child must have felt a connection to us. She insisted on leaving with us.
How old was she back then?
When we brought her home, she was 6.
Do you have a photo of her?
One moment. Officer, this is a photo of Tian from the orphanage.
I remember Peng Yi never mentioned to us that he and Zhao Tian were from the same orphanage. He said they knew each other through business partnership. Say, is it possible that the person in that photo isn't him?
I'll have old Xiao ask him about it.
That news in May. It was exactly when I was sent to prison. Then in June, Zhao Tian from the same orphanage was taken out. Zhou Cheng, Zhao Tian, and Peng Yi all have ties to this orphanage. How did it go? Did you get answers?
The man in the photo is indeed Peng Yi. And when I mentioned Happy Home, his reaction was very strange. Both old Xiao and I feel that Happy Home is definitely suspicious.
Take a look at this. Back in May, the deputy director was taken out at home. Zhou Cheng is also linked to Happy Home. Could this be a coincidence?
Something is definitely wrong with that orphanage.
Do you think this could be a serial case?
Given our current situation, we only have these things to host the two of you. I hope Mr. Chen and Miss Jiang don't mind.
Not at all.
Regarding Mr. Chen's $20 million donation to our orphanage, I'm extremely grateful. As the assistant, Miss Jiang, surely you're not unaware of this, are you?
Well, it's like this, Director Yan. Our Mr. Chen here has to inspect many orphanages and nursing homes before we can decide on making a donation.
Oh, so that's how it is. Mr. Chen, no rush at all. You should get to know more about our Happy Home Orphanage before deciding.
Director Yan, where is the restroom?
Turn left out the door. It's at the end of the hall. Shall I go with you?
No need.
Okay.
Let's continue discussing the die way so.
This is disgusting. My hands are fatal mess.
Keep it down. I heard donors are coming today.
Are they here to...
Who knows? It should be a legit donation, right?
I heard after Vice President Luo was gone, another person from our orphanage was taken out.
No way. That's got nothing to do with us, right? After all, we're just earning a small salary. That kid tried to run earlier.
If he tries again, I'll break his legs.
That Yan Huilan won't be easy to handle. When Vice President Luo was mentioned just now, her expression changed. Our suspicion is likely correct.
I'll talk to Officer Xiao later about this matter.
By the way, listen to this.
That kid tried to run away earlier, so I taught him a lesson, and now I have to go back and patch him up.
If he tries to run again, ruin his legs.
I suspect they are mistreating the children.
Send me this recording later, and I'll take you home first. I'm heading to the office. The police just called. Following the leads I gave them, they have identified the culprit. Those people are dangerous, so I have to leave Nanan. I can't let her get involved. They're stalking me again. During that car accident, I nearly lost my life and was unconscious for over a month. I wonder how Nanan is doing. Is she still waiting for me? I miss her so much. I've developed a severe sleep disorder. They are just too persistent. No matter where I am, they always find me. It's a good thing I didn't tell Nanan then. Otherwise, she would have gotten hurt. Once the case closed, I received news from Officer Xiao. Nanan was labeled a criminal. She must have been framed. I'm going back to find her. I must protect her. Jiangnan.
Why didn't you tell me?
I'm fine. It's all over now. Those people are dangerous. I'm just glad you weren't there with me.
The injuries from your crash.
Those injuries are already all healed. If you're truly worried, you should get back with me.
Okay.
What did you say?
I said I want us to get back together. Chen Zui, I love you. And I don't want to lose you again. I just compared the cases of Zhao Tian and the deputy dean. I want to look into those kids in the photos to see if I can find any new leads.
Tomorrow. Let's go, question Pang Yi.
Can Peng Yi get out tomorrow?
Though he was accused of taking someone, there's no solid evidence, so he won't be held for long.
All right.
Don't worry, I'm with you this time. He won't dare hurt you again.
Lawyer Chen, I can leave now, right?
Yes. assuming nothing goes wrong.
Nothing better go wrong. Hey, by the way, you brought Miss Jiang to see me today. Is something the matter?
What do you think?
I'm sorry, Miss Jiang. I had no other choice then. I'm sorry for my irrational behavior.
Do you still remember this photo? This photo. Recognize it?
About the Xing Fu family. Didn't I tell you everything already?
Try to remember. This photo from 2003? Who are these people?
It's been over 20 years. How could I remember?
Maybe you forgot the others. But surely, you must remember at least these people?
Didn't you say the Zhao Tian case and Xing Fu House are unrelated? Then why are you still hiding details about Xing Fu House? Is it because you know something, but are too afraid to speak?
I don't know anything.
Did you know that Vice President Luo was taken out at home back in May? In May, Vice President Luo was gone. In June, it was Zhao Tian. And since they framed you, do you think you'll survive July?
How is that possible?
Pang Yi, look at the situation you're in. You're safe here at the station, because we know you're innocent. But once the real culprit fails to frame you, what they'll do next, no one can say. Can you guess what they'll do to you next?
Wait.
Freeze. Jiangnan, stop meddling in other people's business. The suspicion surrounding you hasn't even been cleared yet. Besides Zhou Cheng, there is a murder case regarding Zhao Tian, and you're the prime suspect too. Do you understand?
Prosecutor Jiang, I no longer expect you to have any affection for me, but you've been a prosecutor for so many years. With all the holes in this case, don't you have any doubts?
In reality, things aren't as simple as your fantasies. Everything needs evidence. Based on current evidence, you are the main suspect. You hear me? I am ordering you to stop this investigation at once. That's the police's job. Why are you sticking your nose in? Go back to jail and await your trial.
Are you really that desperate to send me to prison?
Prosecutor Jiang, I am Jiangnan's lawyer. Talk to me if there's anything, and stop threatening my client.
You. This is ridiculous.
Are you all right? I didn't expect to run into him.
I'm fine. It's just, if I'm back in the defendant's seat, what then?
Then I'll still defend you, just like last time.
Let's continue the investigation.
According to Pang Yi's memory, between 2003 and 2004, within that single year, at Happiness Home, 27 children vanished. Aside from 4 who were adopted, the others, including Chen Nuo, Ding Xiaoyi, and Wang Ke, altogether 23 children, went missing. Maybe they are gone, but as for the exact reason, he can't remember clearly. After all, back then Pang Yi was just a child.
I checked the files from those years. 23 children went missing, but no one reported it to the police. And the hospital records only state deceased due to illness.
Was it really because of illness? Did you find out about the local residents around Happiness Home from those years?
It's been too long. Records are incomplete. So it's hard to investigate. But the results Officer Xiao and the others found are, within the city, Happiness Home is the only orphanage that has so many fatal illnesses. Furthermore, regarding the annual mortality rate, Happiness Home is the highest.
Only Happiness Home? That is too strange.
As for the situation back then, the police already confirmed it with Dr. Zhao Xin, who worked with Happiness Home. It is indeed true.
Since he's the doctor working with Happiness Home, we can't fully trust his words. Do we have Zhao Xin's info?
Yes. Let's release it tomorrow.
We will keep following. The lead on Happiness Home. You guys are more familiar with it. If the police go, we might tip them off.
Dr. Zhao.
What are you doing?
Are you scared? I thought you'd enjoy this. After all, aren't you the one who loves using a scalpel to threaten people? I originally wanted to talk more with you and catch up, but just looking at your face makes me sick.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Everything is taken care of.
The surveillance downstairs has been handled.
Master, what's next?
Everything is ready. Our next target, Jiang Nan.
We agreed earlier that we would help you take out Jiang Nan after our revenge was finished, but we haven't finished our revenge yet.
I'm not asking you to take her out. I want to frame her for Yan Huilen's fate. Just like before, I will provide the equipment needed. Beaten to the punch again.
Is Zhao Xing gone?
Yes. We were a step late again. By less than 1 minute.
What did you find? Is it about me again?
You guessed it. The weapon is a scalpel, and your fingerprints are on it. We also found a comic at the scene. The fatal method matches the comic perfectly.
The four of us came together. Chen Zui was worried about me and didn't even let me in. How could I have done it?
Calm down. We were all here this time. I know it couldn't have been you. It must be the intruder in the black hoodie.
But the law needs evidence. We're always a step behind. This keeps happening. Although the Zhou Cheng case cleared you as a primary suspect, there are still many points that remain unexplained. Besides, the hotel case and the weapon here both have your fingerprints.
This means there's enough evidence to prove these three incidents are serial crimes, and you are one of the suspects.
True. There's something else. You should know.
What is it?
Your father, Jiang Changlin, is investigating Zhou Cheng's case and the Zhao Tian case. If he looks into this one, you will definitely be involved.
Chief, they beat us every time. Could we have a mole among us?
Stop guessing. That's exactly what they want, to make us lose our heads.
I found this in the room. The pen is broken, but there's no visible ink.
A UV light will reveal the ink.
The culprit should also have ink on them. Looks like we need to find the suspect before they toss their clothes.
The coroner just told me that Zhao Xin was...
This is a major lead. This detail isn't in the comic. The culprit might be a woman. This type of thing happens in crimes of passion or assault cases.
Assault? Zhao Xin was the orphanage doctor.
Zhou Cheng, Zhao Tian, and the orphanage are all linked. This case goes deep. I'll ask my superiors to combine the investigations.
The methods in these three cases are totally different. It doesn't even look like the same person. Combining them won't be easy.
Then we must find more connections between them.
Combining the cases won't be that smooth.
Then we must find more connections between them.
Li Huai, don't we still have the files? Zhao Xin. Zhao Xin. Zhao Xin. Zhao Xin. Zhao Xin,
What is it?
nothing. Just remembered the past.
We'll send people to check the footage and look into whoever visited Zhao Xin the other day.
Yan Huilan, speakerphone. Miss Jiang.
I am Yan Huilan from the orphanage. I'm sorry to disturb you so late.
No problem. Director Yan, is something wrong?
I just wanted to ask, was Mr. Chen satisfied with the last visit? I wonder if I would have the honor of inviting you two, so we could meet tomorrow and discuss the charity fund.
Oh, sorry. Mr. Chen is away on a business trip.
I see. Then,
Director Yan, Zhao Xin, and Dr. Zhao are outside. He said he wants to see you.
Impossible. Zhao Xin's DNA is an exact match in the database.
So the person impersonating Zhao Xin is very likely to be the killer. His target is Yan Huilan.
Let's go. To the orphanage.
Then where are we going?
Go find Pang Yi. He has the clues we need.
Where's Zhao Xin?
who are you two?
He went to...
Yanzi. You're not done yet, are you? He just left. How? Did you know I was seeing him? He's really gone. Not here.
It's a problem. We fell into a trap this time.
You're right. We tipped them off, and they're far too cunning.
What about the nearby surveillance? Did we find out who the fake Zhao Xin is?
None at all. It's the same as before. The cameras were broken.
But after searching the orphanage, we found a file.
It's related to Jiangnan.
We found the names of 4 people adopted from the orphanage. Zhou Cheng, Zhao Tian, Chen Jing, and one named Ding Ning.
Ding Ning?
Here are their profiles. The others were adopted. But this Zhou Cheng was scouted by a talent agent, and his agency turned him into a star.
Wait a second. You mentioned Ding Ning.
Yes. As far as I know, she's your close friend.
Jiangnan? We need to talk to her.
I'll call her tomorrow. But who is this Chen Jing?
This Chen Jing, before Zhou Cheng's life ended, had close contact with him. We can't rule out that she framed you.
Maybe this Chen Jing really does know something.
Zhao Tian and Zhou Cheng are both gone. Are the remaining 2 also the killer's targets?
It's hard to say. How many killers are there? What's the motive? Why frame you? We haven't figured any of this out yet.
The methods used differ too. The act against Zhao Tian was out of hate. Zhao Xin's was clearly based on obsession. As for Zhou Cheng,
the method was bold and precise. The killer was sharp and wanted attention from the police and media.
The most important point is, he framed you for all 3 cases. He definitely holds a grudge against you.
3 different methods. Suggest 3 different personalities. Or an organized group. But the Zhou Cheng case was planned more meticulously, with more complex logic.
Do you think it's a group of people? Many things suggest that. Every method and signature is distinctly different. Just like what happened to my family.
what?
They are a criminal gang. Did you find any clues over here?
I think Pang Yi is still hiding things from us.
No way. How did Dr. Zhao end up gone?
Tied up at home and mutilated. Preliminary verdict is fatal blood loss.
Back at the restaurant, he was already holding back. It's definitely connected to those people.
Pang Yi? You suspect he's the culprit?
It's too much of a coincidence. I have to be suspicious.
But he's a tough nut to crack. I won't say a word. We're stuck.
The more he hides, the more it proves the secret is serious enough, perhaps more important than his own life.
Wait a minute. Chen Jing was jailed for assault.
So you noticed too?
Peng Yi said before, if he went to prison, it would be a disaster. Could it be related to Chen Jing? But Chen Jing is a woman. Even if Peng Yi went to jail, he wouldn't have contact with her.
Take another look at the gender.
The gender can... Chen Jing is a man.
The couple who adopted Chen Jing had lost a daughter. Their daughter was named Chen Jing, so they renamed him.
A month before Zhou Cheng's end, he went to jail for assault.
In May. Wait. Could it be the target was Chen Jing all along, but Chen Jing realized it, so he committed a crime on purpose? Prison is safer than being outside, after all.
If that's the case, what is Peng Yi afraid of?
Let me make a bold guess. If the original target was Chen Jing, but they shifted to Zhou Cheng when they failed, followed by Zhao Tian and Zhao Xin, then what about me? What's my role in this? I'm certain my parents are my real parents, and growing up, I had no ties to that happy home.
Perhaps there is a link. After you left, we found a document at the scene. The fingerprint analysis is complete. Inside are Jiangnan's heart transplant records. From age 6, plus a receipt in Jiangnan's name for $200,000 to an orphanage, dated shortly after Jiangnan's surgery.
You had a heart transplant?
What happened last night? Must have hit them hard.
The way this case is developing is beyond my expectations. Too much is involved.
So what do we do? The orphanage investigation already alerted the suspects. Now, Peng Yi still refuses to talk. It seems all leads are gone. Should we bring back Jiangnan?
Exactly. The best way now is to bring back Jiangnan.
Tomorrow, about our childhood.
About our childhood. It's okay, you go first.
When I was young, I had a heart condition. Staying in the hospital until I was 6, before finding a match.
That bank slip?
My mother sent it.
Are you sure?
I can't be wrong. That's definitely her handwriting.
I recall you saying, your mother was a coroner?
Yes. My mother was Lin Yulan, the coroner for the serial cases, back in 2004.
My family was one of the victims in that case. I left you then, just to investigate this.
So, we both faced retaliation. I thought all night. That must be why they are targeting me.
That's not it. The original killers were all brought to justice. And even Zhao Xin, who I suspected, is already gone.
Zhao Xin?
Right after my dad, I found evidence. I hate him. But he truly had no part in that family tragedy. I really want to know what my father found back then.
I read your diary and saw how much you sacrificed for this case. But this time, let's face it together.
Did you talk?
About the heart transplant you've known all along. Why didn't you tell me?
Brother, it's between you two couples. How could I interfere? I'm not the type to gossip.
Keep an eye on Peng Yi first, and that person named Chen Jing. Jiangnan and I will check the orphanage. This case isn't over yet.
All right.
Oh, what a distinguished guest. Pardon my lack of greeting.
Director Yan, sorry for coming by without notice today. Please forgive us.
You're so busy, Mr. Chen, yet you found time to visit. I can't thank you enough. Please, have a seat. My dear Mr. Chen, you've come at the perfect time. Today, the bosses of Hengyuan and Changda are also here.
Happy Home is indeed doing well. Otherwise, so many entrepreneurs wouldn't be donating.
I thought I'd be back in town in a couple of days, but the partnership went smoothly, so I dropped by to see the kids.
Let me show you around then.
No need to trouble yourself. Little Jiang can go on her own.
I'll call someone to.
Go ahead. Don't stay too long. We have to leave at 7. Fine.
Miss Jiang, Director Yan said you were here for the kids, so I'll lead the way. You can call me Yanzi.
Keep it down. I heard a donation came in today. Also here for... who knows? I'm sure it's a real donation.
Then lead the way, thank you.
This way, please. It's recreation time now, so the children are either painting or playing in the lounge.
The environment at Blissful Home is actually quite nice. Right, an environment like this is good for the children's healthy development. Haven't I told you not to run around here? Why won't you listen? What do you say when you bump into someone?
Sorry, ma'am.
It's all right, as long as you're not hurt. Go on and play. This child's reaction is very strange.
Miss Jiang, these kids are quite young and can be a bit mischievous. Please don't mind them.
The children are very happy, and you've taught them well. Why would I mind? By the way, do you only accept children under the age of 10?
No. We accept children under 14.
What about the others?
The other children? The older ones, I have no way to keep them outside, so I have teachers for them.
Can you show me? What's wrong? Is it inconvenient?
Of course not. It's just that the older ones arrived late and are hard to manage.
Then I must see them even more. Mr. Chen needs to understand the situation before deciding on the investment.
Since Miss Jiang says so, for the sake of the children, I will take you there.
This happy home is indeed nice. It's a place that can truly bring happiness to people. How was the tour?
Infrastructure is perfect, and the kids are doing great.
I see.
This book belongs to?
A child wanted to give it to me, so I asked Yanzi for it without hesitation. It's all right, isn't it?
It's just a book. Miss Jiang, if you like it, please take it.
Director, it's getting late, so we'll head out first.
Mr. Chen, what about the investment?
I'm personally very satisfied, but I heard. Police visited recently. No issues, right?
Oh, that was just a routine check. Think about it. We are just a welfare agency. Only teachers and students. What could go wrong?
I suppose so. I'll talk to the board and get back to you soon.
Mr. Chen, we will be waiting for your good news. Safe travels. These past few days, it's been risky around here. You haven't laid a hand on the kids, right?
Of course not. I've checked them all. No evidence can be found.
Those police officers lately were clearly targeting Dr. Zhao. Fortunately, he's gone. Otherwise, they would have traced it back to us. For the next 2 days, keep a close eye on everything.
Got it.
Right. Tell those bosses. Don't touch the kids for now.
Yes, Director.
The children at the orphanage. It seemed terrified of adults. In the library, I chatted with one for a bit. You should see this. Two adults, let's put aside whether these two children are actually from that orphanage.
From a psychological perspective, even if the boy isn't portraying himself, it's definitely someone he sees often.
A woman with a whip beat the boy until he was covered in wounds. That exposed girl and the man. And regarding this, a little girl handed it to me. The kids from the orphanage secretly gave these to me.
We suspect that the orphanage is actually involved in abuse cases.
This abuse and mistreatment has been going on for a long time.
Monsters! I'm taking my team now to save all those children.
Hold on. Do you have proof? We're the police, not thugs. Go and investigate. The orphanage's donors and the list of people in charge. None of them are getting away.
Also, send someone as soon as possible to meet Chen Jing in prison. She might know something.
We've already sent someone to get close to Chen Jing, hoping to get some information.
By the way, regarding the clinic from the Zhao Xin case, I found a clue on the other side of the road.
What is it?
A taxi and a passenger.
The night of the incident, this taxi took a person in a hat to the intersection. The direction that person took clearly leads to Yukang Clinic.
And then?
When that taxi returned, based on the timeline, the one who ended Zhao Xin must be him.
Does this mean I'm no longer a suspect?
The evidence isn't enough. After all, the fingerprints at the scene are yours.
Have you looked into the taxi driver?
We checked. The plate was fake.
I feel like this person looks very familiar.
It's so blurry, how can you tell? Was it the person in black who was at your house that night?
No. But I feel like I know him. Like I've seen him somewhere.
Can you remember where?
I can't remember.
Find any new leads? Not yet. Let me see. Jiang, the great artist, is painting me. Is this really you? I'm not that handsome. Hey, don't look. Don't grab it. It's a painting of me, so I should know what the scene is, right?
It was that day when those men in black came. And you rescued me. And then... But it's just from my imagination, since I passed out back then.
Then, that day in the interrogation room, when you saw me, what were you thinking?
I was thinking... You're finally here.
Don't blame me.
You were my only hope. Officer Zhao and the others went to see Chen Jing. Did they find anything out?
They did, but they couldn't get any answers. What about you? Did you reach Ding Ning yet?
No. I've been calling her the last 2 days, but her phone's always off. What on earth are they trying to hide? That makes them not even fear the end?
It's not that they don't fear the end, especially Chen Jing. Otherwise, he wouldn't be hiding in prison.
So where are we going now?
To see Chen Jing.
Didn't Officer Xiao and the others already see him?
Yesterday in prison, Chen Jing got into a fight and got an extra year on his sentence.
What?
Chen Jing isn't afraid of the police because they're responsible for catching people but he actually wants to stay in there a while longer.
Oh, I see. So you're the one who can get them out. Great lawyer, Chen.
Bingo.
Chen Jing, the government has assigned you a public defender, and he wants to see you now.
A lawyer? I don't want a lawyer. I said, I don't want a lawyer.
Hello, Mr. Chen. I'm your legal aid lawyer. Let me know if you need anything.
I already told you. I don't need a lawyer.
About your sentence extension, I'll try to help reduce it. I just need you to.
Stop. Please. Don't. Look. I have a total disregard for the law. So, I really need the legal punishment.
Chief, this guy is complicated. Before Zhou Cheng got in trouble, he purposefully got himself jailed. Everyone from that orphanage ended up having problems. But look at him, hiding alone in prison and refusing to leave.
Someone with such strong resolve. It's the first time I've seen it.
Regarding the man you fought, I've had him sign a settlement. You'll be released very soon. Congratulations on regaining your freedom.
Who told you to settle? In here, I eat well and sleep well. It's great. Besides, a person like me is truly wicked, and I'm a threat to society.
Prisons are funded by taxpayers. Do you think it's a hotel where you can stay as you please?
Then I'll just pay for my meals.
Don't worry about that. I think he's mostly panicking. When I saw him yesterday, he wasn't like this. Perhaps it's just a cover-up.
It's possible. Chief, think about it. Of the people from our orphanage we investigated, Zhou Cheng, Zhao Xin, and Zhao Tian, every one of them was unstable. Only he remains calm and indifferent.
Did you remember something?
Them? Are they all gone?
3 of them are gone already, plus a vice president.
It's close.
What's close?
Are you Jiangnan?
How do these people all know me? But how is it that I don't remember meeting them?
What does this have to do with her? Make it clear.
They're all gone. No wonder they came for me. Fine. I'll give you a lead.
Out with it.
Abyss Bar. What you can find out. Depends on your skills.
Welcome, guests. What can I get you to drink?
I'll have a whiskey and 1 low-alcohol fruit wine.
Of course.
Thank you.
Your bar seems to be doing well?
It's okay. But no matter how much we make, our wages don't go up much. Enjoy your drinks.
This bar doesn't feel that special. You don't think Chen Jing lied to us, do you?
He has no reason to lie to us. Let's look around more.
Mm-hmm. Ding Ning.
Am I seeing things right?
You are. I'm sure it's definitely her. Why would she be here?
It's too loud here. Wait for me. I'll call old Xiao and ask him to help.
Ding Ning!
Jiangnan.
Jiangnan, what are you doing here?
Ding Ning. I've called you so many times. Why was your phone always off?
I just arrived a few days ago. planning to stay long term, so I changed my number, and hadn't had time to tell you yet.
Ding ding. I need to talk to you.
Jiangnan, are you okay? Jiangnan. Are you all right?
Jiangnan. You collapsed behind the bar last night. What exactly happened?
Yesterday, I saw Ding Ding, and then I fainted. It must have been that drink.
There is definitely something wrong with that bar. Perhaps we've been watched for a long time.
The lab results are out. There are no drugs in your system.
In the Zhou Cheng case, I must have been given the same drug. It couldn't be detected back then either.
Old Xiao. Find someone immediately and bring the bar owner in. This bar is definitely shady.
Do you even have to say it? I already had Li Huai bring him to the station last night. He's likely being interrogated right now.
That fast? On what grounds?
For a bar, it's easy. Selling counterfeit liquor.
Chief! Chief! That bar owner Jiang Wei said he wants to see you.
Why does he want to see me?
He says he has important clues to tell you.
Jiang Wei, I heard you were looking for me?
Are you Officer Zhao? I heard you guys are investigating the orphanage matter.
How did you know?
This person. I've seen him before. Thanks for your hard work. I have some water.
I'm good. Thanks, though.
Who is he?
He's the man who changed. The lock's at my house.
What?
No wonder. Then he must be linked to this case.
Speak. What else do you know?
Officer Xiao, can I trust you?
I'm in charge of this case. Right now. You have no choice but to trust me.
Fine. I'll start from what happened with Ding Ning. Ding Ning and I met 2 years ago, and we started dating. Later, we planned to start a business. She wanted to open a bar, and the name of it was Abyss Bar. Later, I realized that her goal was to get justice for herself.
Justice? For what?
Officer Xiao, aren't you playing dumb? It's about the orphanage mistreating the children.
Go on.
Ding Ning grew up in that orphanage. Back in 2003, something happened there. Zhao Xin, Dr. Zhao, and Vice President Luo. They did some filthy things to the girls in the orphanage. Then they discovered that by using the girls and the boys, in that way, they could attract funding and investors. Pang Yi and Chen Jing were the oldest ones among those children. According to Ding Ning, after it all happened, it was them who led the children to fight back.
And then? Did they fail?
Zhao Xin used a drug to control them, and besides, afterward, there were no visible traces.
What was given to me must have been that drug. I had my suspicions before. I just didn't expect them to be such creeps.
We must ensure they are brought to justice.
You probably found out 23 children lost their lives that year.
Are you saying those children didn't die of illness?
They were tormented to the end.
What about Pang Yi and Chen Jing? Didn't they fight back?
They did, but it was no use. Later, they even became accomplices.
So Ding Ning is going to end them all?
I was the one who ended them. Yes, it was all me. Ding Ning is only a young girl. She wanted revenge, and because I love her, I took them out for her.
Do you realize what this means? Even if you confess, you'll face the ultimate penalty.
I know. I've been ready for a long time. I just didn't expect you'd find the bar so quickly. By the way, the orphanage was involved in illegal organ trade several times, all done by Zhao Xin. Back in 2004, a child's heart was sold. The buyer even paid $200,000.
So that's how it is. No. My mother would never do that. Chenzui.
I believe in your mother, and I believe in you. Don't be sad. Things aren't what Jiang Wei said. We'll definitely find the truth. I've always believed in you, and your mother too.
We'll definitely find the truth. I will prove my mother's innocence, and my own.
I'm with you.
The interrogation report for Jiang Wei has been compiled. He admitted to taking the lives of all those people. Every detail of his methods perfectly matches the forensic report. Invisible ink was found on the clothes, matching the pen found in the Zhao Xin clinic.
I can't shake the feeling that things aren't that simple. How could one man organize all of this in such a short amount of time?
True, it's gone suspiciously well. He's claiming he took the lives and prepared the weapons in advance. The prints and comics at Zhou Cheng's were stolen from Jiangnan's house by him. Zhou Cheng, Zhao Tian, Zhao Xin, Vice President Luo. If this is all true, then all these cases are solved?
No way! He only came over to change a lock. The man in black that day wasn't him. And there's my mother and the orphanage. Those kids are still in danger.
If it were really him, why would he reveal himself in front of Jiangnan and blow his cover?
Don't worry. We've already spoken to them about the sponsorship. And old Xiao has been there too. For now, they won't dare harm the kids.
Officer Xiao, do you think he's really the culprit?
Actually, I think he's taking the fall for someone.
What makes you say that?
When Jiang Wei heard we were investigating Zhao Dingning, his face completely contorted. Plus, he kept insisting that Dingning had nothing to do with it.
The more he hides it, the more obvious it is. By the way, have we found Dingning?
After that night, Dingning simply vanished.
Do you mean the perpetrator is Dingning? But she's just a woman.
It's not impossible. After all, Jiang Wei's reaction was way too abnormal.
What about Peng Yi?
We already questioned him, and he confessed everything. The orphanage's incident match exactly what Jiang Wei said.
Why didn't you arrest him? He's an accomplice too.
He said he was young, threatened by an adult, so he's also a victim.
Do you want to know the perpetrator's next move? Think about it this way. The first 3 cases all mirror the scenes from my comics. If we want to know their next move, just look at my comic books.
That's right. We should have thought of that sooner.
The first 3 came true. So the next step is highly likely.
Where's the comic? The content's coming next. Have you read them?
Of course. For this comic, I've already released 10 volumes.
Don't keep us in suspense, great author. Tell us quickly, who will be gone next?
I've printed it out already. The previous 3 volumes were recreated by the perpetrator. This is volume 4. The target is a middle-aged woman.
A middle-aged woman? Who could it be?
If my guess is right, it should be Yan Huilan.
When will they strike?
If they truly follow my comic, it should be any moment now.
Based on current clues, indeed, Yan Huilan is the most likely.
Since Dingning is missing, for her to strike again
is highly probable.
It's not just a probability. She will definitely act.
Director Yan, the police are looking for you. Is something wrong?
Go contact our regular team of lawyers. Have them come here tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Peng Yi. Ding Ning. I should have ended both of you back then.
They only have testimonies, no hard evidence. Over the past months, no one touched those boys. Their injuries won't show up in a test.
But for girls, one test and they'll know. Tomorrow, I must have a good talk with the lawyers. I have to get out of this clean.
Understood, Principal. The lawyers will be here in the morning. Get some rest.
Yanzi. Am I good to you?
Yes. Director Yan is the person who treats me the best in the world.
Good that you know. Check the children carefully. We can't let the police find any injuries. Understand?
Yes.
Hello, Director Yan. It's Xiao Jiang. About that investment we discussed, things are moving forward. Is this a good time?
Strange. Why isn't Yan Huilan answering the phone?
Could something have happened already?
Let's go check it out.
If Ding Ning is inside right now, it'll be extremely dangerous. You and Jiangnan should stay out for now. Li Huai, have your men guard the intersection. We absolutely cannot let her escape this time.
Understood.
Let's go together. Ding Ning and I are friends. Maybe I can talk her down.
Let's move before it's too late.
Fine, but you must remember, no matter what happens in there, your own safety comes first.
Director Yan, it's me, Xiao Jiang.
Miss Jiang, come in, but Mr. Chen, please wait outside.
That's Ding Ning's voice.
Ding Ning, stop.
Drop the gun, or I'll end her.
Why would you do that to her?
Not just her, but Pang Yi and Chen Jing. I plan to take them all out. Most of my enemies are already gone. Now there's only a few left.
You were the one who finished them all?
Those people, I'm the one who took them out.
But Jiang Wei confessed to it.
He's an idiot. I only had to shed a few tears for him, and he took all the blame on himself. I've never met a man so foolish. What a fool. If he hadn't gotten caught so early, I wouldn't have to risk this. But I have no choice. Yan Huilan must pay the price. Jiangnan. Let me tell you a story. When I was little, my dad sold me to a neighbor. When my mom saw what happened, she ended them both, and then she jumped to her death. After that, I went to the Happy House orphanage. I had a wonderful older sister, who was always so kind to me. But those people, they did those filthy things to us.
Ding Ning! Calm down!
We were supposed to escape together, but Pang Yi and Chen Jing told those monsters everything. So they got adopted, while my sister, they tormented her until she was gone. In the end, only I remained alive. Do you see this scar? In the end, I was the only one who survived. How is that fair? How? Why do the monsters who hurt us get to live? Why did those who betrayed us get 21 more years? I've been looking for a chance to get my revenge. But you all, why are you stopping me? Why investigate? There are only 3 people left. Why must you interfere? If it were you, would you just watch the culprits walk away?
The law will punish them.
The light of justice doesn't reach me, and it didn't reach my dead sister. Justice delayed is no justice at all. It's just your charity, and I don't want it. I'll do it my way to get justice for her. My blade is my justice and my law. Chen Zui, dare you say you never wanted to end your enemies yourself? Back when you caught the one who ruined your family.
Ding-ning. I can't pretend to know your pain, but your sister protected you until the very end. She surely wanted you to leave the orphanage behind and live a good life.
Since you don't know my pain, don't give me your self-righteous talk. You aren't me. You don't understand my hatred. Yan Huilan, today is your final day. Your time is up today.
Ding-ning. Jiang Wei is still at the station. Don't you want to see him?
Why would I want to see that fool? I ended them all myself. But he arrogantly thinks he can take the fall for me. Beyond stupid.
He's the one who loves you most.
I'm already beyond saving. And I don't deserve his kindness. Stay back. My sister and all those children are buried in the field. I also have the video from Vice President Luo's. It's right here, and it proves everything I said is true. They were monsters, and I'm just delivering justice. There is one last important thing.
What?
Jiangnan, do you know why I ever befriended you? Because the heart in your chest belonged to my sister.
If I hadn't mentioned going to the orphanage today, would she still be alive?
If we hadn't gone tonight, even more people would have been lost. She was looking for an end. We are only human, and we can't save everyone. Even people like old Xiao couldn't have saved every single soul.
So,
Before she was gone, she said,
my mother, she...
Nanan, you can't let this trap you. That can't be the truth. Your mother would never do such a thing.
But Ding-ning insisted on telling me this at the end. A person's last words.
We have to find the truth on our own.
The truth? Watching my old friend end like that in front of me. I can't take it.
I know how you feel. She exploited her relationship with you to get your fingerprints and your comics.
We must keep investigating. To find that person in black.
Jiang Wei wants to see you.
Why seek us out?
Though the case seems clear now, one mystery remains. For instance, the reason for framing Jiangnan and the matter regarding her mother, forensic Dr. Lin, all that remains.
Let's meet.
You're here.
Look, right over there. We'll turn that into a bar.
About Ding-ning? I heard. Why? I already said I did everything. So why did you keep digging? She was only ever a victim. Nobody has ever loved her the way I do. Why? Why couldn't you let her go? Why? Why?
The one who truly ruined her was the one backing her. We were trying to save her.
Why did they frame me? What is the connection between my mother and that orphanage?
I don't know anything about that. Go to Abyss Bar. I'm just the owner in name.
Sir, miss, would you like a drink?
Oh, as for your drinks, we wouldn't dare try them.
Then why are you here?
We're here to ask about your boss.
Oh, you mean Boss Jiang? He rarely comes to the bar. I manage everything here.
What does he usually do here?
Who are you people? Why are you asking about Boss Jiang?
You know he's been in trouble lately. I'm his lawyer.
I see. About Boss Jiang, I can't recall much right now. How about this? Let's connect on social media. And once I remember, I'll let you know.
Just add me.
I wanted to add Miss.
I said, add me.
By the way, I'm Xie
Jiangnan.
Miss. This drink is called Reunion. It's on me. It's delicious. Don't worry. At our bar, everything is top quality.
Thanks.
Did you forget your lesson so soon? Why didn't you just say that I'm your boyfriend? Why did you accept that drink?
What? You didn't give me a chance. Besides that drink, didn't you drink it?
Do you sound disappointed? Why don't you go have another taste of that reunion?
What?
I think there's something wrong with Shesun.
I agree. It's clearly the first meeting, but he seems overly familiar.
His motives are too obvious. He came straight for you.
What are you talking about?
Was I wrong?
I'm discussing the case. But you seem jealous.
Yes. No. I mean... So what did you find?
I just feel like his eyes look familiar.
Like who?
He's just like... the man in black who broke into my house.
Are you sure? I'll call old Zhao right now.
Wait. It was too dark in there, and I'm not entirely certain.
Let's go back first. This Abyss bar is definitely suspicious. I need to notify old Xiao and the others.
Lawyer Chen, save me. Someone is trying to take me out.
What happened?
Something happened to Pang Yi. Hello? Something happened to Pang Yi.
What? I'll send someone over immediately.
Save me.
He's still holding on.
Pang Yi, can you hear me?
Stay with us, Pang Yi.
Pang Yi!
You stay here.
Chen Zui. Chen Zui.
Miss Jiang, long time no see.
Is it you? Who are you, really? What are you planning?
Chen Zui has been lured away by me. Now, no one will bother us. I just remembered. You're currently covered in fatal scandals, making quite a scene. And you still have the nerve to fall in love?
It was you. You're behind all of this?
Not quite. My hands never get messy.
Ding Ning ended those lives. But you're the one pulling the strings.
Good guess. But it doesn't matter now. I've already achieved my goal. Even if it was barely satisfactory. What is your true purpose?
Who on earth are you?
Who am I? They usually call me teacher. Of course. You can call me that too. Go ahead.
What right do you have to call yourself a teacher? Don't disgrace that title.
A teacher is one who shares knowledge and solves problems. I provide direction for those who are lost, so why aren't I a teacher? Oh, and among my foolish students, there's obviously the occasional idiot, just like that Ding Ning.
So you're the one who taught Ding Ning to take a life?
That's right. Decent technique, right? Actually, I prepared a gift for you.
What are you giving me?
Well, it's right before your mother's portrait.
This is between you and me. Why involve my mother?
Miss Jiang, do you still think this is just about the two of us?
What else could it be?
Miss Jiang, this matter goes back long before us. Straight to your mother's time.
Shut up. You're not worthy of mentioning her.
Truth be told, the one who cleared you as a suspect wasn't Chen Zui, it was me. I was the one who planted the weapon in your home. I'm the one who showed my face to that security camera.
But afterwards, you dragged me right back into the case.
If it weren't for me, you'd be in prison by now. Did you know that? Of course. I couldn't let that happen yet. I wanted you to see my masterpiece.
Don't overestimate yourself. You just took advantage of their weaknesses to do your dirty work.
Don't think too highly of yourself either, all right? If your boyfriend finds out about what happened to your mom, you'll be kicked out immediately. Oh, maybe not? Because I've never seen such a spineless man.
I won't believe anything a criminal says.
Which one of us is the real criminal? The blood on your hands is far more than mine. Even the police will see you as the guilty one.
I've already been cleared.
As long as your heart beats, you'll never be clean. Your existence is your original sin.
Shut up.
All right, Chen Zui is almost back. That's enough for today. Miss Jiang, see you next time.
How is Peng Yi?
The doctor said it was found early, and there's no fatal danger.
Shishun was here.
What? Are you hurt?
He's admitted everything. He's the mastermind.
This man is very cunning. He set a massive trap.
He said he prepared a gift for me. Right in front of my mother's funeral photo.
What is it?
Nothing good, for sure. But I have to go. Don't overestimate yourself. You're just exploiting their weaknesses, using them for your dirty work.
Don't think too highly of yourself either. If what happened to your mother was found out by your boyfriend, you'd be out on the street instantly.
I'll go alone.
Let's go together. To pull us apart, isn't that exactly what he wants?
But he said if you found out what my mother did, you'd kick me out.
Kick you out? What is he thinking? I worked far too hard to get you back. Besides, it's not like I don't know who your mother is. Do you really think I'm the kind of person who blindly listens to what others say? I know you're worried, but there is absolutely no need for that. I love you, and I will never leave you.
Me neither.
Moreover, Xiesun is already targeting us, and I can't just stay out of it.
We have to hurry and find out why he is targeting me.
Given what he said about me kicking you out, well, maybe. The breakthrough lies within my family's tragedy. I'm going there now.
Who was it? Why would they not even leave a soul at peace?
Put the photos away first. I'll find someone to fix them later.
What is this?
These are my family's files.
Shizhen's meaning is... My mother was also involved in your family's case?
Don't guess. Regarding my family's case, I've investigated it clearly over these 3 years, and the culprit is already caught.
Is there some secret hidden here?
I haven't seen this part before. I searched for this person for 20 years. It wasn't until last year that the culprit was sent to prison.
Why did it take 20 years?
I'll tell you about that later.
I saw this at your house. Is this your sister?
She was only 6 when she passed. Next time we visit her, remember to bring some candy. She's quite petty.
Who talks about their sister like that?
Truthfully, she's just like you. Bad temper and hard to please.
What really happened 20 years ago? What does my mother have to do with Chen Zui's family massacre anyway? I must find out everything. To clear my mother's name. I want to check on something.
What is it?
The $200,000. Transferred for the heart transplant.
All right, I'll go with you. Did you find anything new?
Xiesun is the mastermind. As for Abyssbar, how's the investigation?
By the time we arrived, it was already closed. We haven't found Shi Shun's room yet. Peng Yi is still unconscious. We have 0 clues.
If Peng Yi never wakes up, won't the trail go cold again?
Even if he wakes, we still won't have evidence to arrest Xiesun. He never gets his own hands dirty.
Is there nothing else we can do besides wait?
I want to look into that $200,000 transfer. I feel like if I don't solve the mystery behind this heart of mine, we'll never find a breakthrough.
Actually, I think you should see your father.
I don't want to see him. He's never cared about me.
Actually, while we were investigating, he came to see me. Does he still think
that Jiang Nan is the culprit?
He does. Back then, he asked us to arrest Jiang Nan.
He still won't let it go.
I used to think so too, but later, my perspective changed.
In what way? Think about it. Everyone else in these cases is gone, except for one person who is alive and well. You mean Chen Jing?
Exactly. Ding Ning said that Chen Jing and Pang Yi were marked to be ended. But because Chen Jing was in prison, he was actually safer.
Are you suggesting that me being in prison would have kept me safer?
As it stands, that theory is quite convincing to me. Your father has been a prosecutor his whole life. How could he not see the suspicious parts of this case?
If you were still in prison, perhaps none of the later events would have happened, and they couldn't have pinned the recent crimes on you.
I'd rather find the truth with you than be framed and locked away.
It's just a suggestion. Better to see your father than just wait around. This is a family matter, and the final choice is up to you. You're here to see me for something?
About that case, I've been cleared of suspicion. You should know that, right?
I know,
Then why did you insist on locking me up?
because I'm a prosecutor. And you were the prime suspect.
I only remember, from when I was little, you had a huge fight with Mom and then you left. It's been 20 years. Ever since Mom passed, I've been living with my grandma. Every birthday, you would send me a gift. Thinking back, Grandma must have lied about them being from you, just to comfort me.
The past is better left unsaid. Congratulations on being cleared. Now, you should leave this city and start a new life somewhere else. Zhou Cheng's fans still haven't let you go, including that Chen Zui. You should leave him too.
What right do you have to tell me what to do? For 20 years, you never once acted like a father. How can you tell me who I can be with now?
Just look at the people you know. The Ding Ning you met 2 years ago, she's a killer. And the Chen Zui you met 3 years ago. Left you all alone. He's just scum.
I don't need you to tell me what kind of person he is.
You. Then I have nothing more to say to you.
I just want to know. What really happened 20 years ago? Where did this heart inside me come from? And how did Mom really go?
Maybe back then, I really should have just locked you up. What good will knowing all this do for you?
I have the right to the truth.
I've spent a lifetime searching for the truth as a prosecutor, and it's taught me one thing. The truth is often cruel. Ignorance is truly bliss.
I can't live in ignorance. Without figuring it out, I'll never find any peace.
Years ago, your mother and I, one was a prosecutor, the other a medical examiner. We weren't rich, but life was good. Until you were 6, and you were suddenly diagnosed with a congenital heart condition.
Doctor, please save my daughter. Please, do something.
Yes, please.
Doctor?
In a case like your daughter's, without a heart transplant, there's nothing more I can do.
Doctor, how much will a transplant cost? We'll find a way.
Money isn't the hardest part. It's finding a matching donor. It won't happen overnight, but your daughter's condition is very critical right now.
Doctor, just do your best to keep her alive. About the money, we'll handle it.
I will do everything I can.
And then, what happened next?
Afterward, your mother, she found a donor, someone who was fatal, found a matching heart from another case.
Another case? A child from the orphanage?
Of course not. Do you actually think your mother would buy or sell body parts?
Then why? Was there a receipt for $200,000 from the orphanage? It was Mom's handwriting.
The hospital couldn't provide a matching donor, but the surgery still had to happen. Your mother was desperate to save you, but she would never do anything unethical.
So, you let Dr. Zhaoxin do it? He's a body part dealer.
Yes. At the time, he was the only one who could.
Then my heart. Where did it really come from?
It was from someone fatal in another case. Back then, your mother was the medical examiner on that case.
Was it the family murder from 20 years ago? This heart. It's from Chen Zui's sister?
You're too selfish. How could you do this? You're a medical examiner. You must get permission from their family.
I didn't... The child was already gone, and in that case, the entire family was wiped out. There was no family to talk to.
But you couldn't just take matters into your own hands. Doing this is against the rules.
With Nanan's current state, is there any other hope?
Yes. Now you should understand why I won't let you be with Chen Zhu.
No. Impossible. Chen Zui. No.
Jiangnan.
Hello, the number you have dialed is powered off. The number you have dialed is powered off.
Where are you? Jiangnan.
Miss Jiang, we meet again.
What on earth do you want?
I told you, Chen Zui will abandon you.
Nonsense! He didn't abandon me.
No? Then do you dare tell him the truth from back then? Do you dare tell him what your mother did?
If Chen Zui knew that my mother saved me by taking his sister's heart, he might really...
You're scared. Oh, right. I heard that when you saw Zhao Tian and the doctor's bodies, you puked? How pathetic. Your mother used to see the most gruesome body without blinking. As her daughter, you're a disappointment.
Shut up! You've no right to mention her.
In this world, the one person most qualified is me because she wronged me.
Judging by your voice, You're barely older than me. How could my mother possibly have a grudge with you?
The mass murder in 2004. You couldn't have forgotten it? Chen Zui even abandoned you because of that case.
My mother was the forensic doctor for that case. The victims were Chen Zui's family. What does it have to do with you?
There were 3 killers back then, but in the end, only 2 were caught. Because the last killer made a deal with the forensic doctor. The weapon that could convict him was right there in the lab. But the outcome was different, and that killer stayed free for 20 years. The weapon that could have convicted him. It was clearly in the forensics room, but the outcome was completely different. That culprit stayed out there, free for 20 years. And all because your mother took his dirty money.
Impossible. My mother would never do that.
I searched everywhere she could possibly go. Missing for a whole night. Something must have happened.
Calm down first. We're currently tracking her phone signal.
Chief, the phone was located. Its last known position was a warehouse in the western suburbs.
Send me the coordinates now.
It's too dangerous alone. Wait for us.
Just send it already.
I heard everything crystal clear back then. The criminal paid your mother off to swap out the murder weapon. He lived high and dry, out there for several years, before Chen Zui finally caught him. And you? You used that blood money to get a heart transplant, so you could live your life. Oh, right. That heart you received. It belonged to Chen Zui's sister.
Xie Shun. Let her go. I won't believe a single word you say.
Chen Zui, you finally showed up. Actually, you should have known this long ago. Jiangnan, your most respected mother, faked the evidence and took bribes from the culprit. She even gave the victim's heart to save you.
That's impossible. My mother didn't take bribes. She would never do that.
Do you still think your mother is innocent? Do you really think both of you are blameless? If you are so innocent, then what about the 23 lives lost back then?
No. My mother wouldn't do such a thing.
Jiangnan, don't listen to him. This is how he controls people to do his dirty work.
I saw it with my own eyes and heard it with my own ears. How can it be impossible? A mother with a dying daughter. What wouldn't she do? Chen Zui, in that massacre back then, the only 2 survivors were you and me. We're the ones who should be together. We're the ones who should stand together. We understand each other best. 3 years ago, that lead about the criminal, it was me who sent it to you. Now, forensic Dr. Lin's family. I've found them too. Together, let's avenge our families. Let's take out Jiangnan together. Shall we?
Chen Zui. My mother never did anything like that. You believe her, right? She's innocent.
Chen Zui, your sister's heart is still inside her body. She definitely won't be happy about this. As her brother, you must avenge her. I knew it. Welcome home. What are you doing? Chen Zui, like I just said. The one who let the killer go was Jiangnan's mother, forensic Dr. Lin. Jiangnan is the one who should pay the price.
Don't be afraid, Jiangnan. My family signed organ donation papers a long time ago. Even if you're telling the truth, my sister up in heaven would have agreed to this. What makes you think I want to be like you? Living like a total monster?
You're such a coward. Useless piece of trash. Stupid, lovesick fool. So you're looking to end it all, huh? Then I'll take you out first. All right. Stop playing around. Keep this up. And I'll take her out. I'll take you out first.
Don't. Hurry and leave. Get out of here now.
Dad! 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 Dad.
If you didn't do it, then why were you at the scene? Holding the weapon? The best way now is to bring Jiangnan back.
Sending me to prison is to keep me safe?
Sometimes staying in the dark actually makes life happier. Nanan, listen to me first. Don't believe anything he says. Your mother never did those things.
I know. And I believe you.
Those gifts. Actually, I was the one who sent them.
Dad. Dad. Dad.
Call 911 fast. Chen Zui, where's the suspect?
He's gone. Watch out. He has a weapon.
Tighten the search. Around the warehouse area.
Over here.
Xie Sun, put down the gun. You have nowhere to run.
Don't do anything reckless. Get back.
Xie don't keep making these mistakes. You won't escape today. Drop the gun now.
Escape? If I wanted to run, I'd have been long gone by now. Why would I wait until today?
You've ruined everyone around you one by one. They all used to trust you so much.
Everyone around me. You mean Zhou Cheng? You must be wondering, why was Zhou Cheng chasing after Jiangnan? Zhou Cheng was my first student. In my plan, Zhou Cheng was the perfect candidate, but I couldn't figure out why Jiangnan didn't like the famous star Zhou and liked a loser like you instead. I trained him for 6 whole months to get close to Jiangnan and become friends with her, but during that time, I had a brilliant idea. I had Zhou Cheng stalk and terrify her, so Jiangnan would always live in fear.
What are you trying to say?
To be honest, I've actually been inside Jiangnan's home, in the middle of the night. She was sleeping so soundly, she never even noticed me. But I found a comic book, and the fatal scenes inside were perfect for Zhou Cheng. So that night, following that comic book, I finished Zhou Cheng first. Mimicking Jiangnan's height to end a life is really no easy task. But Chen Zui, I know Jiangnan better than you do. Since she wants to live, I will make her live in absolute misery. Besides, Chen Zui, you really should be thanking me. I helped her escape the blame, but I never expected that you'd be such a coward.
Zhou Cheng was your student. Yet you took him out.
Zhou Cheng did it voluntarily. Even that Dingning, he's the one who found them. What does it have to do with me? The orphanage incident was nearly ruined by you all.
Is this really for Dingning's revenge? You're just using them. To get back at Jiangnan? You want revenge for your family? I can understand that. But you cannot involve so many innocent people.
You have no right to judge me. Dingning. They have always done it of their own will.
As for what happened back then, I've investigated for 20 years. I know the truth better than anyone. The culprit did approach forensic Dr. Lin, but forensic Dr. Lin refused to be bribed. Spreading those lies saying forensic Dr. Lin was dealing in organs. You've been planning this to get revenge on Jiangnan and her entire family, haven't you? Isn't that right?
Quite a story. It's a shame you aren't working for the police. What if I did? What if I didn't?
Jiangnan's mother lost her will and died in misery. And you are to blame for that too.
I never expected her to be so fragile. A few rumors from me made her sick with grief. She got off easy.
Mom, I finally found the truth and cleared your name. Dad, if I had just been more obedient, would you still be here?
Uncle thought the same way as I did back then. He purposely made you hate him, to keep you away from danger. Actually, he had been secretly investigating what happened 20 years ago. He must have already been prepared for the outcome.
Now I finally understand the things he said. Is the truth really that important? To have the people you love safe and healthy is what truly matters.
It's finally over. Your cases really wore me out.
Thank you for believing in me. During the Zhou Cheng case, I thought I would never get out.
We in the police rely on evidence. You know, this time you should really thank Chen Zui.
Hey, where is Li Huai?
He went to the orphanage. The backers behind him have all been arrested. With the confessions from Peng Yi and Chen Jing and the tape provided by Xie Jun, there is enough to convict them. They won't escape this time.
Many thanks, Officer Xiao. I'm going back to get some well-deserved rest.
When you get married, don't forget to invite me.
Miss Jiang, congratulations on the new comics publication. The books I sent earlier, did you receive them?
I did. Thank you. Are those flowers?
They are for you. Jiangnan, from the moment we reunited, I knew then that I could never leave you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Jiangnan, I love you. Will you marry me?
Are you proposing to me?
Is it not obvious?
I'll think about it. Lawyer Chen, you've really planned this for a long time.
That's right. I've been intoxicated by you, Jiangnan, for a very long time.